looks. Ass like Trina, she getting them hood looks. Goddamn, it feels like a Friday, but fuck time. I'ma stay up and light up until the sunshine.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good.
Hey, what's up? We're Saber and Maine, and in this DIY tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. Because, yo, it's getting hard in these streets.
For real.
We're personally running out, and it's been impossible to find hand sanitizer at any stores, even online, Amazon,
Target.
anywhere.
Anywhere.
So it's time to take matters into your own hands. Spray.
I see what you did there. But just to clarify, it doesn't replace washing your hands. The CDC recommends washing your hands at least 20 seconds. But if that's not readily available, you can just use hand sanitizer.
So these are the supplies and ingredients that you'll need. A funnel, any size measuring cup because you'll be mixing 2 parts alcohol and 1 part aloe vera, and a mixing bowl and anything to mix it with.
You'll also need 91% isopropyl alcohol. The CDC recommends to use at least 90% because once you dilute the solution, it reduces the percentage to around 60%, which is the minimum effectiveness for disinfecting. Next, we'll use pure aloe vera gel. We really like to use this because it soothes the skin. It moisturizes the skin because alcohol really dries it out. And then you'll need a glass bottle spray, but if you only have plastic ones around the house, then that's totally fine. Last thing is essential oils. We like to use these because it makes the spray smell really good. And we're going to focus on tea tree today because it's antibacterial. When you have all your supplies ready, first thing to do is to measure the alcohol using a measuring cup and pour 2 parts. We like to pour the alcohol first before the aloe vera, mainly because the aloe vera can stick to the cup and can alter the proper amount of alcohol that you can fit. As you're measuring the aloe vera gel, shake the cup until the gel is evenly distributed. You want to make sure you have the correct amount for the 2-to-1 ratio of alcohol to aloe vera.
Since the sanitizer will have a strong alcohol scent, we like to add essential oils to create a more enjoyable scent. Add 5 drops per essential oil. We're going with peppermint because we love a good minty moment. We're also mixing in tea tree oil because it has antibacterial properties. The last step is to mix everything until the gel is dissolved.
We're almost there. Grab the funnel and pour the solution into your spray bottle. Even though we made an easy and effective hand sanitizer spray, keep in mind that this is not a substitute for hand washing. If you guys want to know where we got our essential oils, we'll link it in the description below.
If this video was helpful, give this a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below how this worked for you. If you want to see more DIY tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and see y'all in the next one.